Hey guys, what's going on? So it's official that Galaxy Note 9 will be announced on 9th of August, and DJ Koh, and just if you don't know who he is the CEO of Samsung. But how could you possibly not know who he is? Do you live in a cave or something? DJ Koh was recently in a media event and he was using the Galaxy Note 9. You see this repositioned fingerprint scanner at the back, so it's official now. The same thing also happened with Tim Cook, Apple's CEO, if you don't know that one either. His iPhone X accidentally slipped out of his pocket before it was even announced. But man, could you even blame them? If I were DJ Koh, I would be using Galaxy S10 by now. Yeah, I know Galaxy S10 is way away, but I will make them make an early prototype just for me. Okay, that talk's over. We have got some information about the new S Pen and its features. As per Ice Universe, the Galaxy Note 9 S Pen charging is an incredible thing and you will be surprised. There are some more info on the S Pen, like it will take only 40 seconds to charge the battery, which is not lithium ion based, and one charge will go up to 200 clicks, and the pen will charge itself when it's placed inside the phone. Maybe it's wireless charging or some golden contact points, I don't know what it is, but it's barely an inconvenience. You will be able to take pictures by clicking the S Pen button from up to 60 feet away. The S Pen uses Bluetooth and you can remap the button of the S Pen. Yeah, you can remap the button on the S Pen for any other function or application, but you can't remap the Bixby button. That's seriously crazy, Samsung, think about that. The blue Galaxy Note 9 will have a yellow S Pen, which I'm not sure about, do I like it or not. The base storage of the Galaxy Note 9 is 128GB and some markets will also get 512GB as well as 8GB of RAM. So if Note 9 has 8GB of RAM, maybe Galaxy S10 could also have 8GB of RAM. Let me know guys, do you think that the new features of the S Pen is worth the upgrade? Subscribe to the channel for more info on the Galaxy Note 9 and the all new S Pen. Hit the like button if you enjoyed it, and until next time, peace out.